Nicely done.
How do you like?
Nicely done by Martinez.
Chet Gopio. Now it's FEU.
That was that replay. Huling-huli, walang other blocker, single blocking.
The set drop. Ateneo. FEU going for the attack right there. Gopio making that happen for Ateneo. Ahmed Bituin again. Sa kabila naman. Ilang a difference. Anyway, eto naman a combination play for Ateneo. That's it. Rally just to get that very important point here and set up a goal. And that's what
That
sequence. Dongala getting it done along with some help. Everybody.
Bumawi.
Business to attend to. Mukhang komportable naman siya, tumitingin silip-silip lang sa score. Sabi niya, labang naman. And it's going to be to win. Saying niya, yeah.
7 block.
It until now. Well, it's dancing set win for FEU. Perpetual have lost their focus. They need to be reminded.
Another good block. Net defense against Perpetual.
The name of that wall, part of it is Dulad. Ahmed.
Iba yung lipad eh. Oh.
Pag team 14 for Perpetual. At ito, talagang tinodo na yun.
Good reception by Aringo. Abanilla, naibalik. Abanilla, goal! Nagpapaka na sa distan ni Bituin.
Hinahanap mo kanina, eto na yung Bituin na magpapakitang gilas.
Bituin, walang tingning.
Safe serve. One hand set.
wow, Benny.
Now, 1-0 in favor of FEU against the undefeated LaSalle. And FEU, what's going to be the reaction here? Sa bagay, anong oras na? Talagang lalabas at lalabas na in between. At eto na nga.
Committed errors, mga unforced errors. Or it could be like the chicken and the egg. Di mo alam ano yung nag-cause talaga. If dahil ba tahimik kaya nag-error. But between, whenever he has the chance, lumilipad high fly.
Have to do something about this. Wow!
Between had something to do about it.
Look at him. As that set went cross court, he responded very well. Here he is. First ball. Atake.
That was bit.
Baka maubos kagad. Especially, this is turning out to be a close one here. Right there for Letrand.
That was a
Leading by 2 points they need to close out the second set. Si Bituin, but was able to deliver that cross-court attack. Ayan po, Jiangnan attack. Hot pot ba? Attack na sa Jiangnan. Well, they're getting some momentum. And just a stop to it right away.
Yung pangalan pala niya, no, parang mga players niya. And that's very important to build trust among each other. Another one for Ahmed.
They finished off this set. And they're back with the lead once again in FEU. This time around, 25-19. Drew Abeto. FEU, Rick Saavedra na ibalik. Sa kabila naman tayo pumunta kay Ahmed Bituin. FEU, there you go. Ahmed between. Nagwo-worry ako eh. Jiangnan attack the set. Hotmat ba? Attack na sa Jiangnan. Kita mo. Serve. Oh, good dig. Kanyang libero. Oh, between. Would like to commend Ceballos for the dig.
Ceballos has been doing very...
Ano mangyari? Bandola, cross-court niya. Nando naman si Ceballos. This time, it will go in. Now, it's NU having what a good start.
Ito yung meron yung magandang programa at lumipad sa likod.
Take another look. Ahmed between.
Parang nakakita ako ng bagong kalado.
Defense of the Tamaraws na hinahanap natin kanina lang. Eh, mukhang nagpapakita na. Nakapuntos pa si Ahmed Bituin.
Pero yung nilalaro ng Bituin, simula nung pinasok siya.
Nako, di ready si Leo. Sorry naman si Jeff. There's Ahmed Bituin.
Grabe yung cross-court hit na pinaka...
Ahmed Bituin. Back set. One-on-one, Ahmed Bituin.
A future star. Grabe, parang... Pero hanggat hindi mo natatapos yung laban, merong tsansa na makuha.
Huli ni Benny. Ahmed na naman!
Etong attack niya. Pero kung sumabay dun si Leo,
Ay, simple lang. Oh. Pero tulis, no? One-on-one!
He goes in dito sa larong ito, and look at that hang time on that block.
Sa Avedra. Benny. Ahmed Bituin!
Katulad na yun, no? Nag-iisa na.
2 match point save. The third match point! That will send ako sa una, din ako sa walawa. Ito yung pangatlo. Sureball na para kay Ahmed Bituin. The Tamaraw.
Quick attack right there. Ito ang sa inyo. Bituin. Oh, good save right there by Yoyong Mendoza. Ball over.
Drums.
Brace yourself, Shiki Mameda. Dami pa yan sa rim.
So sure. That's what I'm... And very... Look at that. Nahanap talaga niya kung paano niya ipapasok yung bola.
Natin yung pag-close out. Isang malaking problema din yan. Pero Ahmed Bituin, sabi niya, they'll be happier.
Akala ng blockers ng LaSalle, the middle was going to hit that ball.
Yeah, ilang sets. Well, LaSalle, just in case they still want to survive. Of course, they want to survive. But can FEU make a comeback? That's another interesting question that needs to be answered here. Kakao, back set to Drixa Avedra. Good effort by Lyric Mendoza. And then that attack by Ahmed Bituin.
To make the proper adjustments. Beautiful back set. Look at that.
Layug, left-handed middle attacker. Martinez. Oh, great cross-court hit coming from Ahmed Bituin.